Hello guys, welcome back to my channel guys. In this exercise I will show you number one easy exercise to relieve your knee. If you're having a knee pain, this simple exercise is for you. No stress, nothing, just stand and do it. So if you're having a knee pain, just stand. Make sure you have a balance. Don't hold anything. Don't hold the wall. No, don't hold the wall. Don't hold anything. Don't stay like this. No, stand still. Then make sure you do have a balance. Stay like this. Then you push it. It helps. Make sure you do have a balance. This helps. Then go like this. It helps your knee. If you're having a knee pain, this exercise is simple and easy. You come down. You hold the other one. This simple exercise to relieve your knee pain at home. You go like this. Then try go like this. Then go hold like this. It's very effective. It affects your knee here. Then you come back, you hold it. You hold it with your two hands. Make sure you do have a balance that you can do it. So this one too, you can hold this one too. Then you come back like this. So guys, this exercise is simple, very effective. It's simple and very effective if you want to heal your knee pain at home without any equipment, or if you don't have money for drugs. I give you number one exercise to do to heal your knee pain at home. Make sure you do like and subscribe.